Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for Battery Sound Notification app. Install this app and then enter it. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech. Unfortunately, text-to-speech does not work, but let's go further and now name your function. Give it description and press this button to save. And right now you've got your new battery sound.
Connected.
It was a bit delayed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.